Ah, what a lovely day. I guess somebody got in a car wreck. I better go check on them. Is that my upstairs neighbor? Oh no. Oh my. Quit crouching. No. Jeep. Grenade. Hold on. Do a grenade. Blow myself up. Okay, hold on. Maybe I can. Oh. Get away. Get away. No.
I'll get you, and I'll look like a bloody accident.
La. Let me close this. What if I pretend I'm inside, or what if I come inside here?
What are we hiding from? No, what are we hiding from? No, what are we hiding from? No, what are we hiding from?
Oh.
No, what are we hiding from? No, what are we hiding from?
He's trying to get in here. Hello?
Hello, this is your former President Barack Obama, and I know how to beat. There's like this, there's a cat with a hat chasing me right now. Oh. This is not what you do to your former President Barack Obama. I will raise your taxes.
There is a third.
How about this room? No, that does not seem safe. It doesn't have a door. I think I'm safe. Oh, I think I just shit myself. Oh. Airboat. Watch this. Oh no! I don't think he can break out.